Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jennifer. First beauty video with my extensions in. How you doing? I'm going to start off by moisturizing my lips like always with Vaseline. Make sure if you enjoyed this video while you're watching it, you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel down below. Next, we're going to go in and start prepping our skin. I'm using the Hard Candy Hydrate Primer. Mine is just like the little travel size one. It's been sold out in the full size every time I go. Not the point. I'm going to let that dry down, and then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer Putty. I always trip over that. This is just going to fill in our pores now that we're hydrated. It's just going to help everything be more cohesive. On the day-to-day, most of the time, I do my face first. I'm going to go in with the NYX Born to Glow foundation. I stinking love this foundation. I wish they had a paler shade that matched me a little bit better because this one is a little dark. You'll notice I'm blending it down my neck a little more, and this does oxidize. So I can literally never remember the name of this concealer. Pretty sure it's CoverGirl Undercover or something. No idea. I'm going over my under eyes and a few little boo-boos I have going on my face. Once we're done with that, I'm going to go in and set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Powder. I love this powder. I love it so much. So I'm just going to go in and set quickly with my dampened beauty sponge. And then it's pretty normal to my every other video, but I'm just going to do my contour and a highlight very quickly using Maybelline City Chic bronzer. We'll never know. And the ColourPop Flexitarian highlight. Since I've really been making an honest effort to grow out my eyebrows and not destroy them, I actually have eyebrows all on my own, so I am just going in with a dark brow gel, brushing that through to darken the hair I do have, and then I go in with the e.l.f. Brow Kit, the gel that's in there, and I just fill in a little couple spots that I have that are just a little too sparse that I don't like so much. And also I definitely like smeared brow gel underneath my brow, and I just go in with the concealer brush and clean it up a little bit. And now for the star of this video. This is from the new e.l.f. Mint Melt collection. It's the mint chocolate chip palette. It's so stinking cute, and I'm going to take that medium brown shade. It's almost bronzy, and I'm going to fluff that into my crease and basically cover my entire lid with it as well, and just really fluff and blend it all out. Once we have that on both of our eyes, I'm going to go with the darkest brown shade, and I'm going to add it to the outer corner just to start. And then once I have enough shadow on my lid, I'm going to start blending it out in that outer C-shaped situation. I also go in with that lighter brown shade on my lower lash line with a smudgy brush pretty close to the lash line, and then I take the darker brown shade and just add it on the outer half of my lower lash line for some dimension. I cannot even begin to explain to you how excited I was for this green shade. It's like the prettiest minty green shimmery shade. I'm going in on a brush at first and just applying it on the inner half of my eyelid, and then I kind of packed it on, and then I decided to take my finger and pat it on a little bit more. This was such a pretty shade, let me tell you. I came out from filming this and Ellie went, "Oh wow," and kept on trying to rub my eyeshadow. It was the cutest thing. I really love that green shade. Sorry, after I get that done, I just blend out the harsh edges, and I'm just kind of looking at it. I'm about to zoom in for you. Oh, psych. I take the lightest shimmery shade and do an inner highlight, and then we're gonna go in and do some eyeliner. I just did a dark brown on the top lash line and smudged it out. Once we're done with that, we're gonna throw on some mascara. I'm layering 2 different Lash Princess mascaras from Essence. I did cut out doing my lower lashes because I totally was not in frame. To finish off this look, I'm using an Urban Decay Vice liquid lipstick in a super pinky rosy shade. I just thought that would be so cute with the green. Switch it up from always doing a brownish nude lip. Once we're done with that, I'm going to take off my headband and floof my hair a little bit. I'm trying to work a middle part and like curtain bang situations to blend my super short bob in with these extensions. I don't know how I feel about it. Had to look down some flyaways, but now we're going to set my face with the Wet n Wild Natural Finish. Favorite setting spray at the drugstore. I love it so much. Here's a little bit of a close-up so you can see the pretty greenness. And now I'm noticing that I have a little bit of a makeup line, so I'm just going to add a little bit of bronzer down there on my neck. That is it for this video. Give it a thumbs up. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.